In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under international trade. So we're going to look at an intro to international trade for your JAMB economics. We have three repeated questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, a tariff is a tax imposed on, we have exported goods, consumer goods, imported goods, domestic goods. So the right answer is option C, which is imported goods. Very important, guys. So take note of this question. Next repeated question is this one. It says, which of the following classes of goods accounts for the largest proportion of Nigeria's imports? We have chemicals, we have food and animal products, consumer goods, machinery and transport equipment. So the right answer is option D, which is machinery and transport equipment. Okay, so they account for the largest proportion of Nigeria's imports. The last question for in this video is this one. It says, which of the following constitutes the largest exports of the developing countries to the developed ones? So we have labor goods, finished consumer goods, raw materials, arms and ammunition. So the right answer is option C, which is raw materials. So this basically can deal with problems involving intro to international trade for your JAMB economics. To practice with three repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. Just like, share and comment on the video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. I'm getting premium information that help you to excel in your external exams like a JAMB and other external exams to be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.